You want to be among the first one to hear about this unit. Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm at our newest listing at 91 Brandywine Lane in Suffield, Connecticut. It's soon coming to the market. If you want to be among the first to see some photos, then send us an email at team@teamgabriel.net. Hurry, you don't want to miss this one. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath in unit. I'm so happy that springtime is finally here. The trees are blooming and the grass is turning green. And if you purchase this condo, you don't have to mow the lawn. They're going to do all the snow removal and land maintenance for you. It's amazing when you live at a condo. All you have to worry about is coming home, cooking dinner, and no exterior work. It's a very, very popular complex. It has low fees, it's pet friendly, and you have to come check this one out because it's an end unit and it's been gone through from top to bottom. Be among the first to get photos of this beautiful unit. Send us an email at team@teamgabriel.net or give us a call at 860-618-6233. We hope to hear from you.